What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, we're going to be breaking down how to use your MetaTrader 4 app. Very, very simple. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. So we're going to go ahead and go into MetaTrader 4. Now, if you click on quotes, it's going to show you the different currency pairs. Simple and advanced. I prefer advanced because it shows you your spread and your bid and ask price. Now, if we click on the top right, the plus button, it's going to allow us to add symbols. So if we go to cryptos, all you do is you simply click on the green button to the left to add that currency pair. If we go to FX crosses, that's going to be all of our Forex pairs. Click on the pair that you'd like to add to your MetaTrader 4. So if we click a pair, it's going to pop up with trade, chart, and details. If we click chart, it's going to show us the actual chart of that currency pair. In the top left, you're going to have an M1, 5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, and a week. Basically what those are time frames. So what that means is that, example, we're on a 4-hour time frame. Each one of the candles that you see on the chart, that's 4 hours worth of movement in the market. Now, if we simply click trade, it's going to pop up with the currency pair where it says market execution. That's if we're selling at the current price. Now, we have what's called pending orders, which you will learn about in your Academy in FX General Education. Now, lot sizes. We have what's called a standard lot, which is 1.00, a 0.5, which is $5 per pip. In this example, we're going to be trading on a macro, which is a 0.10, meaning $1 per pip. We're also going to be doing a buy stop order for this example. Simply place the order. What this means is that if the market comes up and hits our entry, it enters us in the market. We have a stop loss placed to minimize risk and then take profit so that if the market were to come and hit that level, pulls us out. Now, if we were just going to do a typical normal trade, all we have to do is come in, hit buy or sell, market execution. Now, for pending orders that you've placed, you can edit these. You can come modify the order, trade, and go see the chart. We're going to go ahead and delete this order. Now, since we went ahead and entered a trade on AUD/JPY for a buy, we can close a half position. Let's say that we were in profit. Since we're on, a dollar lot, half of that position would be 50 cents. So we can change the lot size to 0.05 and close out half of the trade, leaving the other 0.5 open. Now, if we just wanted to close out the entire trade, all we have to do is hit close. Closes that trade for us. Awesome, guys. Cool. If you go to your history, that's going to show you, your history week, day, month, and then you can also set that up, just see a longer time frame. Now, if we go back into the charts and we click chart, we can actually modify stop losses, but we also have tools on MetaTrader 4. I'm actually, in this example, using Fibonacci retracements. Now, to lock that in, you simply click on the line and it goes ahead and keeps that on so that you can't modify it. To delete it, simply click, hit delete. For support and resistance, I use boxes. You can actually change the properties of these as well by clicking properties, going to style, and then changing the color of that box. And I always make sure that all of my boxes are filled as well. We also have trend lines. Same concept, drag and drop. Markup, using a trend line. To modify that, you simply click it and it locks that in. You want to delete, click delete. Very simple. Now, let's say that we wanted to move our stop loss into what's called a stop profit. We find a position where we can move that stop loss and we simply, mark it up with a horizontal line, come back in, click modify. So if you click on the trade, swipe to the right, it's going to pop up, with different tools. Click the pin, enter the new stop loss, and it modifies that stop loss. This is called a stop profit. What that means is that if the market comes up and hits your stop profit, it's going to pull you out in profit. If it hits your take profit, it's going to take you out in profit. This is a simple introduction to MetaTrader 4. Hopefully it helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. And I'll see you guys at the top or from the top.